Hey guys, Ryan with the Driven Channel. A lot of you might know that I've been looking for a new vehicle for my son Jonathan. Now, Jonathan just turned 17 here a couple weeks ago, back in the middle of March. And he has had his Camry now for just a little over a year. And he really hasn't had any problems with it. He did have one little minor incident where he banged the mirror of the Camry on the taillight of a 98 Ford Ranger, which, you know, whenever I was 16 and had just learned how to drive, I totaled the car, so I can't say that that's really a bad deal. So we've been very proud of him. He's held a job now for also over a year, which for a 16, 17-year-old kid is pretty good. He's been working at Chick-fil-A, which is one of my favorite fast food places to start with. Makes good money. His managers seem to like him. He's been there for a while, and he's well respected by his other employees too. But Jonathan has been, basically it's been me and Jonathan from about the time that he was 3 till 2012 when I met my wife. So we've been doing our thing together, and we've grown really close. Obviously, you know, I've been in and out of other relationships with other women since I got married, but we've decided today, me and my wife, to surprise him. We've been talking about getting another car, and basically we want to get him a Volkswagen. We've been looking at them. We looked at some that just didn't quite meet our needs, and we are here today to look at another one. If everything goes well, we will be purchasing this car, taking it home, and surprising him with it. He doesn't know this is coming because what he thinks is tomorrow, which is Sunday, that we're going to go and look at this car and maybe buy it. But we're going to do that today, and we're going to surprise him with it when he gets off of work tonight. So I'll show you the car here in just a second, and we'll meet the owner. And I think apparently to the Kansas City Volkswagen people, you have to bribe them with food. So I've done that as well. So we're going to meet the owner of this car right now, and we'll see if we like it. If we do, then we're going to have another car. And then later, we'll get Jonathan's reaction to his new car as well. Alright, this is an 04 Passat 1.8T. It is an automatic. If you've watched my video again of my son trying to learn how to drive a stick, he didn't do great. So it does have the Tiptronic transmission. He'll still have fun with it. But I think this will be a great addition to the family. And the only thing that we got to do right away, I can tell you, we got to get rid of these wheels. These wheels are some of the ugliest ones that Volkswagen has ever put on a car, but that's easy to change, so we're going to do that for sure. We're about to take this out for a drive and make sure everything's good, and then hopefully we'll have another Volkswagen in the family. We bought it. We bought the car. It's pretty much everything exactly how I thought it would be. It's a 2004 Passat 1.8T. Like I said, it is the automatic with the Tiptronic, which is an ideal, but also it's going to be a lot easier for him to drive. But this car had the engine replaced with a low mileage engine. I believe 87,000 miles. I've got all the paperwork and everything on the engine. Brand new timing belt, new turbo, all new gaskets. This thing is fresh. The only thing mechanically that this car needs is an oxygen sensor, and so it's got the check engine light. And what do we always say about Volkswagens is you can always tell when a Volkswagen is running because the check engine light's on. But anyway, so we are headed back right now. We may do a little another few things to this car before we give it to him tonight. But I really can't wait to see his face. I think it'll be phenomenal. He can't wait to get into the Volkswagen life. I know I've trained him right. So we'll see you here in just a minute. Okay, so we're here. We've stolen his Camry. Now we're sitting in it across the parking lot. The car is over there. Hopefully you can see it. We'll zoom in a little bit here. There it is. And we're waiting for him to come out from work and notice that his car's gone, but then there's a blue car in its place. So we're gonna sit here, we're gonna wait, and this will be fun. I'm really excited. Okay, he's coming out of work. He's walking to his car. That's him in the front there, talking with his buddies. And let's see if he notices. Sorry about the camera quality, guys. It's nighttime. Okay. He's coming around the corner. He's looking for it. He can't find his car. He's looking around. He's got his phone. Probably about to call me. How long should we let him sit? Should we let him sit for a minute? Oh my goodness. I think I'm just gonna go. What do you think, babe?
He's like, where's my car?
He's so confused. He's looking all around the place. He can't figure out where his car is. I can't let him. I can't. I'm going to go on out. All right. Well, he's calling me right now. He's calling me. Hello? What do you mean someone stole your car, kid? It's right here. Your car is right here. Right here. Right where you parked it. Turn around. He just got off the phone with me. He's probably wondering right now why I have a camera in his face.
Apparently someone did.
Where's your car, John?
Oh. That makes sense. Well, just about had a heart attack. I walked out here and I was like, this is a problem.
Here's your car, John.
That's a thing.
And if you're looking for your Camry, it's way over there. We've been spying on you for a little while now.
An hour and a half. We got out pretty early tonight. I almost died.
We saw you walking around all confused like, where's my car?
Car's gone. My Camry's gone.
So we tried to get
Nope, your car, it's right there. Right there where you parked it.
We tried to get the wheels
It's
on
just
it.
changed a little bit.
It's a little bit different. It's a different color, I've noticed. And is also a Volkswagen.
Lola's been with us all day. So what do you think, buddy?
Nice.
We've done a few things to it today. Nothing crazy, but we'll go over everything with you. I just wanted to get your reaction of this because this is definitely going on YouTube. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video now with my son. He's a little excited. I'm gonna go take him for a drive in his first new Volkswagen, or newer Volkswagen. Anyway, we'll see you guys on the next video.